Starting around 03 October 2023, Chilliz for the most part is exchanging at $0.060 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.57% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. CHZ in a real sense has an extremely all-out market cap of 450,434,000. This sort of makes Chilliz, CHZ, in every practical sense, exceptionally positioning at 72 in the cryptographic money market amazingly, which is very critical. In the event that you entirely are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Chilliz cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Chilliz in a real sense truly be especially worth in 2023 in a sort of huge manner? Is Chilliz an especially wise speculation or most certainly by and large worth purchasing in 2023, which fundamentally is very critical? Will CHZ cost explicitly in every practical sense outperform its untouched high, certainly exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking? These sort of are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in a kind of in every way that really matters, huge way. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023 as per the Chilliz figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost in a real sense is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $0.091, the normal certainly fundamentally least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to basically essentially be $0.088, or so they generally thought. Besides, CHZ can fundamentally arrive at a truly sort of most extreme value level of $0.097. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082 in a quite enormous manner. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to basically for the most part be around $0.080, which explicitly sort of is genuinely critical, which is genuinely huge. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086, or so they for the most part thought, which basically is very huge. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $0.083, which for the most part is genuinely critical, or so they thought. CHZ value estimate October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Chilliz truly is supposed to sort of arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.082, showing how might CHZ cost really outperform its unsurpassed especially high in a quite huge manner. The CHZ cost could generally arrive at a pretty truly most extreme cost of $0.089, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.085 in a huge manner in an unpretentious way. Chilliz, CHZ, value figure November 2023. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023 may sort of arrive at a very least worth of $0.085, while the fundamentally greatest determined cost basically is around $0.093 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they most certainly thought. The really normal cost for CHZ entirely is in a real sense anticipated to by and large reach $0.088 in November 2023, exhibiting how Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086 in a kind of huge manner in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz most certainly is determined to in a real sense be at around a sort of truly least worth of $0.088 in an every way that really matters, large way. The Chilliz value worth can by and large explicitly arrive at an extremely limit of $0.097, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars, which basically is genuinely huge. Chilliz fundamentally passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been in a real sense diminished by 2.76% in its all things considered current worth in an entirely all plans and purposes significant way. In the event that we quite look at the genuinely current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can essentially sort of see that the market cap is likewise down, in every practical sense. Further appearance, how might CHZ cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high in a significant manner? From kind of absolute most recent 7 days, the CHZ sort of was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.01% in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz in a real sense has shown areas of strength for genuinely all plans and purposes pretty potential of late, and this could be by and large great chance to really dive right in and contribute, or so they generally thought. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ entirely diminished by 56.845%, dispensing with an incredible especially normal amount of $0.079 from its genuinely current worth, kind of additional appearance, how from most recent 7 days, the CHZ generally was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.01% in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin explicitly in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a decently essentially great truly purchase a valuable open door for in every way that really matters, fast speculation, extremely in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 56.22%, and the cost commonly truly coursed from a genuinely least truly normal cost of 13 cents to truly greatest by and large especially normal cost of 14 cents in the especially beyond 90 days, exhibiting that on the off chance that we explicitly look at the for the most part current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's. You can see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down. Pretty further appearance how might CHZ cost for the most part certainly outperform its record-breaking height, which in a real sense certainly is very critical. Chilliz for the most part is somewhere near 42.27% with the essentially greatest typical cost of the coin outrageously was around 11 cents and the sort of fundamentally least sort of typical cost of certainly was around 11 cents in very beyond 4 months and in every practical sense, large way, which is genuinely critical. Chilliz value figure 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be Chilliz pretty extremely worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The CHZ cost essentially is estimated to especially arrive at a kind of genuinely greatest degree of $0.097 with by and large least cost of $0.088 toward the finish of 2023, which for the most part fundamentally is very critical. Does Chilliz really have a future, which in a real sense for the most part is very critical? As far as value, Chilliz especially sort of has an exceptional certainly potential to for the most part really arrive at new levels, which shows that the sort of typical cost for CHZ certainly is in a real sense anticipated to by and large reach $0.088 in November 2023. Exhibiting how Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086, quite as opposed to mainstream thinking. It especially in every practical sense is estimate that CHZ will increment in esteem, so the Chilliz value worth can by and large in every practical sense arrive at a really limited